Did you know? Cats have a fascinating ability to purr, and it's not just a sign of contentment. In this video, we explore the unique reasons behind the soothing sound. Purring occurs at a frequency of 25 to 150 Hz, which has been shown to promote healing and reduce stress. But here's the twist: cats can purr even when they're in pain or scared. This self-soothing mechanism helps them calm down and can even aid in recovery from injuries. Isn't that incredible? So, the next time your cat curls up and starts purring, remember, it's not just happy, it's engaging in a remarkable healing practice.